Hello, I'm Dr. Nicola Savil, and I am here to introduce you to one of the modules that you'll encounter in the first semester of your first year, Biological Bases of Behaviour, also known as PSY4003M, but better known as BBB for short. So this module is designed to introduce you to key concepts and relevant research in biological psychology. So this is all about the focus on the biological bases of behaviour. Now, this module is designed to accommodate all of you. So whether you have a background in biology or feel confident in the sort of scientific side of things or not, aims of this module to introduce you to some of the core foundational principles that are useful to know because biology influences so many different aspects of our psychological experience. And so this is what this module will start to introduce you to. The assessment in this module comprises a mid-module assessment, which involves labelling anatomy and multiple choice questions. And then at the end of the module, you'll have a timed assessment, which also includes multiple choice questions and a written component, which we will introduce when the module starts. You can see on the right here the topics that we will cover over the 12 weeks of the module. The first few weeks are very much an introduction generally to biological psychology and the kinds of methodologies and approaches that it takes. We'll introduce the nervous system before honing in on the human brain itself and getting you familiar with its anatomy in this module, because that will be super useful as you go through your degree. The middle part of the module is looking at these different components of this nervous system in more detail, our different sensory systems. So it's really important to understand our different senses and how they are set up in our bodies to understand how we take in information and the quality of information that we take in and how that's constrained and influenced by our underlying biology. I'll be taking you through those different senses in the middle part of the module. And then towards the latter part of the module, we move to more higher level psychological cognitive functions and how these relate to our underlying biology too. We'll be looking at the brain bases of language, of memory, and how we make decisions, and how biology influences our mood and emotion too. So as you can see, this module covers a range of core interesting topics which are so fundamental to our own psychological experiences, and hopefully you will find it really interesting. So that hopefully gives you a flavour of what this module is all about. And with that, I will sign off for now. I and the rest of the module team really look forward to meeting you fully when term starts.